Hello tubes, good morning. Well, weather is not too sunny, bit of rain, it's getting colder. That time of the year again. Starting up the Husqvarna chainsaw. Working together with the Posch Ruck Zuck logsplitter. Nice Husqvarna. Nice. Well, very good, very good. More junk. Oh, there's more junk here. Oh no, it's firewood. What the heck is this? Oh, cleaning up for winter. Yeah. All sorts of wood. All free. Dumpster dive, garbage pick wood. Oh, skids, pallets. The small pieces. Wow. Whoa. Can be a long winter. Let's see. More junk wood. Yep. Old skids. Oh, what the heck is this? Old camp trailer. Whoa, another old camp trailer. Holy mac. Woo. Woo. Well, as you can see, we're working on this part of the garden. It's a friend's house and we have to clean it up a bit. Lots of junk here, but whoop. Good, very good. Now we check the Husqvarna. We check the number 236 X torq. Oh. Nice and hot. Nice and hot. What tubes? We gotta work. Work first, eat later. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.